What's up, YouTube? Hey, how's it going? It's been a little bit since I've been on here. I've had a lot going on. My personal life has been a roller coaster in the last month or so. So I haven't been on here much. The one thing I do want to say, a couple things I want to say is I want to thank all of my moderators and my administration in the group for the love of sneakers. I want to thank all of you in particular for making my birthday as good as it could possibly be, considering what was going on personally. You guys came through and made it special, and I thank all of you for that. Secondly, I hope you all had a great 4th of July. Hope everybody had a great 4th of July. It was safe. Hope you all kept your fingers, all your digits. No crazy accidents or stupid stuff going on. Happy late 4th. For me, I didn't do anything. I stayed home. I kind of just played low key and did a little rearranging in here, which there's some stuff on the group page on Facebook. I'll put a link in the description for anybody who's not there. So today's video, we're going to go ahead and get going with it. It's a little unexpected. It's a little different. We have an unboxing and a review. I have not opened the box yet. It just showed up today. None of you will guess what it is before I open it. I never would have guessed, but I saw these floating around in the group. Somebody else had gotten them, and I seen some photos, and I decided to snatch them up off Goat. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. While I'm opening this, you guys can go ahead and try to guess what I got going on here, but you never will until I actually show you. So, let's open it up. I will be seeing these for the first time, as will you. Alright. So, the box gives you an idea, a general idea of what we have going on here. So let's take, if I can get the box out, let's get the box out. Okay. Air Force Ones. Can you guess yet? I'm almost afraid to open it. These are the, okay. These are a trip. First impression is, wow. All right, you guys ready? Let's get them out of the box together, and we'll show them both at once. Wow. All right. Okay. I had to do it. Something just told me to grab these. I don't know if they're going to be worth anything down the road, if they're going to be something that, God, the lighting here is horrible. If they're going to be something that, I don't know. These are a trip. What do they call them? The post office? Air Force Ones, Postal Service, Air Force One Experimental, White Ghost, Ashen Slate, aka the Post Office, Air Force Ones. I don't know why. I mean, they're pretty dope. The feeling on them is very strange. I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comments. Hit me up in the sneaker group when I post them, and let me know what you guys think. I'm on the fence. I'm on the fence. I really am. Can you see in there? No, not really. Damn it. Says, what do we got? The Air Force One experimental is based on an oxygen mask. Wait, what does that say? On the insole, let's just see if I can get it out. Can I get it out? Will the insole come out? Yes, it will. This is on the insole. That's kind of a trip. The Air Force One experimental type design is based on the oxygen mask used in the Nike Sports Research Lab. That's trip. The inside. It's all fuzzy in there. Okay, so yeah, this is today's mail call. This is what showed up while I was out working. I got a notification they arrived. I almost forgot about them. So, the Nike Air Force One post office. What do you guys think? Definitely a different shoe. Definitely something not of the ordinary. I'll rock them. Not sure with what, but I'll rock them. Pretty dope, I got to admit. Not a bad score. They were under 200 on GOAT. So, there's the unboxing and review of these wild Air Force Ones. Okay. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are having a great week. I hope everybody is at least doing better than I have been. I love you guys. Smash a like button, subscribe button, bell, the whole nine. Now that things are calming down here for me, personally, I'm going to be focusing more on the YouTube page and the Facebook group. Yeah, that's going to take precedent over everything for now. So, I'm going to post these in the group. Give me your feedback on these. I'm not sure what I think. They're dope, but they're weird. So, yeah, let me know what you think. I'm going to post a link to the description. Wow, it's been a long one. I'm going to post a link in the description for the sneaker group, our marketplace. If you want to post anything for sale, post it there. For trading, trying to find out anything about value of shoes as far as trying to buy or sell or trade, I'm going to post a link to our marketplace. Please put it in there. The sneaker group is for just posting what you love, shoes. My moderators, my members, everybody that's in that group, I love all of you. And yeah, I'll check you out next time. Peace out.